guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what to say for myself. It's a little shameful, but I have another home haul for you today. This was just kind of like a collective situation that I was eventually like, oh, this is such cute stuff. I want to film a haul for you guys. None of this is there's one thing that's like Halloween specific, but otherwise it's either fall items or just anytime items. So I thought I'd throw together a video, especially because I got a lot of this stuff literally dirt cheap on CrateandBarrel.com, so I will link that for you guys if they're still available and you're interested. So basically this is a combination of Anthropology, Crate&Barrel, a little bit of Home Goods, and then one thing from Yankee Candle, which is the Halloween thing. So without further ado, I'm just gonna shut up and we're gonna get into it. I'm trying to see if it looks like a mess in the background. Hopefully it's okay. Also, yes, I have a skeleton hand in my hair. Isn't this amazing? My friend Chassie gave me this for my birthday and I am just absolutely obsessed. She gave me this one and a green one and I'm obsessed. And it's actually like really cute and does a good job at holding my hair back. So win-win-win. But anyway, let's start with the Anthropology stuff. So I will say there are a couple Christmas things in here, literally just two, which I debated on sharing, but I decided I'm just gonna throw it in here. If I do a Christmas haul, I'll put it in there as well. I just wanted, in case they sell out and you wanted them, I wanted to show you and just so you can see them now. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. So it's a fall haul with a little mix of like Halloween and Christmas specific stuff. But I did get a couple of tea towels from Anthropology, or dish towels, whatever you want to call them. This one I thought would be perfect for the month of November because it just has pie all over it. And not even necessarily just then. Like you could use this any time of year, but it's got a bunch of different pie on it. It's got a checkered like orange background. The pie is the limit. And then at the bottom here it has this really pretty like blue stitching. And it feels really good, and I love Anthropology dish towels or tea towels, whatever you want to call them. So I just thought that this was really cute, and for the month of November, Thanksgiving, and even into the holidays, I thought it would be super cute. I ordered stuff on Anthropology mostly because my favorite headband was on sale, which I also ordered in this order. I didn't include it because it's not a home situation, but that's why I placed the order. It was already on sale, and then they were having like a 20% off sale, so that's why I bought the things that I bought. And I saw today that they're having a 25% off sale and there's more Christmas stuff, and it's never ending. Like I wouldn't have never thought that I would be so excited by home decor stuff, but this is 31, I guess. And then the other dish towel I got is for Christmas, and it just says fa la la, you know, over and over and over in this really pretty bright red and pink, and I just thought it was so cute. And this, I do like to layer my dish towels just because it's another decor situation, and I thought this would be cute with something else just because of the bright fun colors. I did see they also have like wrapping paper in this print, which I think is super cute, but I just thought that that was so cute. So got a couple dish towels. Now this is something fall specific. I am in love with this, and they even have two other, like a set of two smaller ones, and I might get it before the season runs out, but it's a recycled muslin pumpkin. So I just thought this was so pretty and just like neutral and natural, just kind of like a classier fall item, because you can leave, it's not necessarily Halloween, you can leave this out through November. So it's just like that white kind of beige muslin color. It has some darker lining and then this really cute just like wiry green stem. I just thought it was literally so cute. It feels like a stuffed animal. I don't know, it just was different and fun, I thought. And like I said, a good neutral piece to kind of like mix and match with some of my other stuff. So picked that up mostly just because it was a cute little stuffed animal pumpkin. And then lastly from Anthropology, I have literally been wanting this for such a long time. This is their little honey bear. So you can actually like put honey in it. It's like a little jar. And then he has a little spoon, you know, whatever you call that, you understand. But how freaking cute is this? Like even if you don't use it for on top of your shelf, or if you use it for something else other than honey. But I just am obsessed with the floral pattern, and I've been wanting this for a while, and usually every time I place an order I see if it's in stock. It like goes in and out of stock, but this time it was in stock and I had the 20% off sale going on, so I bought it and I love it. I think even just regular priced it's $20, so it's not anything like super steep, but I'm just obsessed with it. I love the colors. I feel like this would look good with like everybody's kitchen. All right, now moving on to Crate&Barrel. I don't even know, I was linking stuff for my website, amylynnbutchin.com, and I was on Crate&Barrel, and I don't know what happened, but I started shopping and I found a lot of things for very highly discounted, and the whole reason I placed an order were for these little tiny pots. I got these for $2 each. I'm not gonna lie, I got a second one thinking like, oh, I'll give it as a gift or something, but no, they look so different and they're like different sizes, so they must be like handmade or something. Oh, they're made in Portugal. And they just look different enough that I'm literally keeping both. There's no drainage holes, but that's something you can drill in. But they're just these like light blush colors. They kind of switch colors. There's this like line in the middle. They have little feet. They're just so cute, and so I had to have them. And $2 each, are you kidding me? So that was the main reason for the Crate&Barrel order, but then I had to add on some other things. But also, how cute would this pink color be with like green coming out? These will be perfect for like a little succulent or something, or maybe a plant I'm trying to propagate and grow into a bigger plant. So I love these, had to have them. Then it suggested these, which were also $2 each. These were the blush pillar candles. Literally, how cute is that? Like, I just love this like fun, fancy little design. For some reason, it reminds me of Alice in Wonderland, and so I was like sucked in. So I believe these were so on sale because they were from their their Easter range, and I love them. I don't really have any pillar candle holders, but now I totally want some. I probably won't burn these for now just because I really like the shape of them, but someday when I'm like, okay, I'm over them, I'll burn them, you know, properly. But I thought these were so cute. I just loved the color. And then they had a few different like sizes and colors. I got 2 of the small blush ones and then 1 of like the big navy one, so they look cute together or separately, but I just think they're so cool. And eventually when I do burn them, I think they'll look really cool as they like melt away. And then I think the medium-sized one was like a yellow pillar. If they have all of them, I'll link them down below if they're available. But I just loved the shape and I thought that was fun. And then the one Christmas item I got, well actually I got another Christmas item, but it's not here yet. And I knew it wasn't gonna be here for a while, but it's awesome. I'll show it to you in a Christmas haul. But I got this little vintage looking tree, and the best part, you probably couldn't even see that, it lights up. It is so beautiful. And I even showed Bradley and he was like, I don't know, sometimes Bradley's just like, yeah, that's cool, but sometimes he's really into things, and he really liked this. I just liked that it was white with really colorful lights. It's just like simple but fun, and I just fell in love with it. And to be honest, this is even better in person than it looked on the website. So I'm delighted. I think it was like $20, somewhere around there, but I love it. So that'll be fun to decorate with this year. Let me turn that off. So that is it for Crate&Barrel. I did just pick up one random thing at Yankee Candle. I did already get my Christmas candles. Yankee sent a coupon to our house of the buy 2 get 2 free. Which, I mean, I buy Yankee Candles probably twice a year, Halloween and Christmas, but they sent it early and they had the Christmas candles in stock in store. We were randomly at the Valencia Mall actually in Santa Clarita. The Yankee Candle is like they have like an outdoor mall area, and they were open. They only allowed like 4 people in the store at once, but nobody's ever in there anyway. And so I went in and I was like, do you have Christmas Eve and Christmas cookie? Like, those are my 2 favorite Yankee Christmas candles. They were like, yeah. So I got 2 Christmas Eves, 1 Christmas cookie, and 1 spiced pumpkin. So you get 4 candles for the price of 2. It's incredible. But anyway, while I was in there, I saw this, which I was actually eyeing in the catalog. I'm obsessed with it. So it's just this little, I didn't even notice this till right now, oh my god. It's just this little purple votive holder, which is like, I said that, my husband's like, what's a votive? And I was like, I guess, I don't know. I just know there's like a tea light and then a votive candle, which is like a little bit taller. Perfect size for that, which my mom for Christmas actually gave me a really nice set of Pottery Barn, I believe, like fake votive candles that flicker. And I need more batteries for them. And I thought I ordered more, but I ordered, apparently when it's the little disc batteries, there's 2 sizes and nobody told me, so I ordered the wrong size. So I need other ones, but whatever. Anyway, I have a really nice fake candle to go in here, and it's just like a little dark purple jar with glittery candy corn, and then I just noticed on the inside it's a spider web. And the best part about this is it was only $8. I feel like that's so reasonable. A small candy corn print, like, yes. And so I'm very excited that because I saw this in the catalog and then I kind of forgot about it, but I had every intention of buying it. They had 1 left in the store and I snagged it, and I am just obsessed. But I did see that this is online, so I'll link it down below. But it is glorious and glittery and purple. It's just like all my favorite things. And then lastly, I went into Home Goods because, and I'm still hoping to track this stuff down, but I've like fallen down a rabbit hole of the Johanna Parker stuff, which I meant to tell you about this sooner, but if you missed my Halloween home decor haul, I've already done that. I will link it up in the corner, and there's a lot of Johanna Parker stuff in it, and she basically designs like vintage looking decorations, just like little figurines, teacups, mugs, some like plates and stuff, bowls, all that kind of stuff. If you've seen any of my videos lately, you probably know what I'm talking about. But I'm a part of the Johanna Parker Facebook group, and apparently there's going to be a Christmas line at Home Goods, and it supposedly was released on October 5th. And so I don't really have a Home Goods near me, but in Valencia again, I drove by it and I was like, let me just go in and see. They didn't have it, but then I allowed myself to peruse around. But I'm really hoping to get my hands, there's 2 things from the Christmas collection at Home Goods that I want, so I'm really hoping to get my hands on those. We shall see. Stay tuned. But I did buy 2 great things at Home Goods, and this I am obsessed with. So this is just like kind of an oversized pitcher. This is bigger than any of the other pitchers I have. I guess just wider and shorter. A lot of the other ones I have are taller. This was literally $8. Like, how cute is this? And it feels really nice. And again, it kind of has that like pink and red vibe, same as like the fa la 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 towel. I'm just obsessed with this. If I'm using it as like a proper pitcher and pouring people drinks out of it, or I put flowers in it, I just think it's so beautiful, and I loved the print of it. And then when I found out that it was $8, I had to have it. And this is by the brand Hello Lucky, so if I can find it down below, I'll link it. That didn't make sense. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. But I just was obsessed. They also had a really cute tray that was this print. I didn't get it because I don't need any more crap, as if I needed this, but I did need this. But my sister got the tray that's matching, and she put all of her crystals on it, and it looks so pretty. So I loved this, and I was so excited by the price. And then lastly, a cute little find like towards the checkout. I found this like wall canvas, and it just says "Go Your Own Way" in glitter writing, and I thought it was so cute. Apparently I'm really attracted to the pink and red right now, because again, it's the red and the pink. And then the background is like lightly polka dotted, which I thought was so cute. And this is only $10. I was like, yes. The slogan just kind of speaks to me at the moment. Just because like I suffer from OCD, I suffer from a lot of uncertainty in life. But I think we all suffer from that, and just the whole culture of like comparing yourself to other people, or not feeling like you're far enough in life. You're not like, you know, where you thought you'd be or anything like that. Maybe your career path is a little bit different. I mean, like, hello, I speak to a camera for a living. So I just liked the slogan, because I'm very much into like, don't worry about what other people are doing. Don't worry about what people expect you to do. Literally go your own way. Do things your own way. Everybody has their own path. And I don't know, that just spoke to me. But honestly, I just really liked the glitter. Let's be real. I have like a couple of pieces that I've yet to hang. I kind of want to figure out some sort of gallery wall, maybe above that lamp back there, or just like behind my filming setup in general. And I thought this could go on it as well. I'll find a place for it because it's super cute. But okay guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this quick little home haul. I don't know how quick it was, but I just wanted to share because everything was super cute. Everything still should be available, so I can link it. If you want more home hauls and home decor stuff and all the home stuff, I will link my playlist up in the corner. Yeah, stay tuned for more, you know, more home things. I am going to be doing like a completed Halloween decor tour coming up, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you very soon with some new ones. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, so I know what you like. And as always, I'll have a couple videos right here you can click and watch. But I love you. I hope you subscribe and stick around, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.